when you shred your tire on a restricted...
Hold up. Not yet. Not to be cliche, but we're gonna start from the beginning. We're going on a road trip. We're ditching school.
Kinda.
That's Rosie, my sister.
I'm 5'3.5".
That's Sabrina. And then there's me. We're going from Rhode Island to California in this 2002 unregistered Ram Grand Caravan. And why are we doing this? Well, school's closed overnight because of a pandemic. What better time for an end-of-the-world road trip? So I cleaned the van. Universities gave students 2 days to move out. I helped Rosie and Sabrina and everyone else pack up their lives. Everything you couldn't take was thrown out. Which means we had supplies for the trip.
You're the judge. Oh no, set me free. You're the judge. Oh no.
This helped a lot because all grocery stores were wiped clean.
Y'all don't think this is toilet paper? Y'all don't think this is toilet paper right here? What the fuck? That's fucking toilet paper.
Finally, I got the van's oil changed and tires checked. And with that, we started the road trip.
1, 2, 3. Day 1, the goal is Front Royal, Virginia. That's 7 hours and 48 minutes of driving. Round up, that's 9 hours and 496.2 miles. That's an easy day. We'll get there with time to...
Do not tell him.
We're the Pet Boys.
Outside the Bronx.
Outside of the Bronx. Can you guess what happened? I'll give you 3 tries. Nope. Wait, that's correct about a component of the car. Well, it ends with up and starts with blue.
No, they're gonna replace the tire. We're gonna go
So yeah, our tire blew up 2 hours into the fucking drive. In New York.
Actually, you know what? I should just drop $400 and get the fucking 4 tires replaced right now.
Honestly, yeah. It won't take more than like an hour, hour and a half.
The songs on the radio are okay.
No. Pick it up. No.
But my taste in music is your face.
Yeah, so Destiny, what's the word? Glided that shit into an exit, which was conveniently there.
And it takes a song to come around to show you.
4 hours and $700 later, we're back on the road. The loose plan was to sleep in the car, basically going from national park to national park. But what we failed to research were the off seasons. So where we had planned to stay tonight was closed. We had 2 choices. Pick a nice Walmart parking lot or pay for a hotel.
We're vlogging.
Okay, guess which one we did.
Well, nothing interesting is happening
This
now.
all feels
If you guessed that we bickered for 2 hours, successfully spooked ourselves out, eventually paying $63 for a motel where we were directed to the wrong room, which we proceeded to keycard bang and just generally fuck with the knob because it wouldn't open until hearing a voice inside go, "You got the wrong room." You guessed it.
We just tried to, all 3 of us, open the handle of a door and...
Get out of the fucking elevator.
Regardless, we made it to Front Royal that night.
Yeah.
Also, there was a microwave, which was good because we didn't have a dinner plan.
this video and you see like
in the bottle, Rose.
A little bit of Coke. About the same amount of gin.
This would be the first and last hotel on the trip. It's sleeping in the car from here on out.
real bad. Gin and Coke don't mix.
Thus, the first day of the road trip ended.